Okay, sir. Once again, sir, introduce yourself.
It's a John Grego president. Ndigbo of Eba, local council development area. President, Association of Ndigbo the Southern Nigerian chapter. N'Uzuije, comprising 6 states of the southwest and 6 states non-Igbo speaking states of the south-south.
Let me check. Now, sir, on the issue concerning the Southeast Traditional Council of Ndeze, can you comment on that?
Yeah. Well, I know that I'm aware and a member of Ohanaeze Elders Council when Ilo Mwanya as His Royal Majesty assumed the pioneer as the pioneer president chairman of Southeast Traditional Rulers Council. Yes, I'm also aware that once in 2008-2009, without consulting the SND Association of Ndigbo and Diaspora, he published a lot of derogatory stories about Ndeze. In fact, saying that he banned them, Ndeze from hearing that he changed their name. And the question we ask, as full-fledged adults who are here in our various domains protecting Igbos, can't he confine on us what, as a father, even as a father, what intended that way, because we don't want to start rubbishing our fathers in the public. But thank God that he agreed and called us in 2009, and we almost reached a truce. But unfortunately, he made a publication at Sun newspapers, and that publication did not reflect full-page paid advert. It didn't reflect what we agreed at his residence in Owerri. And of course, we refuted it. And in 2010, Ohanaeze President General Ambassador of Azubuike intervened and summoned us at his African Azubuike, where we brainstormed about the whole matter. At the end, he now used his power as President of Ohanaeze, President General of Ohanaeze, the mouthpiece of Igbo nation, and said, okay, take a decision. He took a decision, which he directed the Secretary General to publish, which he did and circulated it through all the Igbo institutions worldwide.
What did they publish?
They published what we agreed.
What was it that people agreed?
We agreed. He now emphasized why we must shift ground. It was 6 hours meeting. In that meeting, okay, he tabled 3 names. Onye Ndu Ndigbo, Onye Isi Ndigbo, and Oshigbo. We met, say for legitimacy's sake, for the sake of the as a respect to the umbrella body of Ohanaeze, let us shift the ground. We choose Onye Isi Ndigbo, and Ohanaeze Secretary General addressed World Press Conference, celebrating that the issue between the Southeast Traditional Rulers and the Ndeze has been amicably settled. Unfortunately, after about 1 month, we saw in a publication where Ilo Mwanya rejected it again, disgracing Ambassador Azubuike. So we all went we go back to status quo until he tenure finishes. Until he tenure finished, and the leadership goes to Abia. His Royal Majesty Ezes take the mantle of leadership of Southeast Traditional Rulers Council. Within his first 2 months, he made sure that he came to Lagos and summoned this Association of Affairs, the leadership of Association of Affairs Ndigbo News, and listened to us like a father. We tabled we pour our mind, and at the end of the day, he said he doesn't see anything wrong with the nomenclature of a name. Throughout his tenure, he cooperated with us. In 2000, the same thing applies to